Hi everyone, Angela from Growing Roots here, and today we are going to do a January houseplant house addition building construction tour. All right, here we go. Okay guys, all right, so I thought since we've made it now into the new year and my entire house is not sick, that I would give you guys some quick updates on some of my plants and a little bit of the construction that we have going on. First, I want to tell you guys, I want to show you how happy my Norfolk pine is. I added some peat moss to the soil, and you can see all the bright new green growth up top here, and it's so much more supple and just it seems so much healthier. I've also been misting it a bit more, which has been nice. And you can see all my wandering Jew there. That is all, I'm trying to save it. Those are all clippings. You can see some more here. Clippings from outside last fall that I brought in to see if I could, keep alive. My fern is still kicking it. It's tough. This winter is very dry here. But doing good. And here are all my air plants. I don't know if I've shown you guys these in a while, but they are doing really well. That one's a little crispy up here. But they're doing pretty good. Like I said, the winter is hard. I haven't been misting as often as I should, and I need some deep baths. I also have some propagated spider babies. Look how big those are. Look at that, you guys. It's giant. And this is the philodendron from my office. There are 3 separate plants there, and they're doing okay. Doing okay. They've had a lot of rough times with the dogs in here. I have some sadness to share. Look how bleak this is. If you guys watched my other video, when I made this, it was awesome. I have lost like half the plants. My heart leaf, or my, what is that? Fern. Heart-shaped fern or something. I can't believe I forgot the name. You guys know me. Anyways, I'm still working on this. The right level of moisture and airflow, and you can even see here, we got some crusting happening. So I got work to do, but this is a work in progress, so don't hate me because I killed a bunch of plants. My Monstera is doing great. Lots of bright new beautiful leaves. It's another gorgeous one. And then gosh, if we can get in here, I saw a couple more. So here's a new leaf, here's a new leaf, and then I swear, oh, if you can even see right here, there you go, there's another one. I mean, we're in the dormant season, but I tell you, this guy is just killing it. Seems like every time I water it, which it needs to be watered, you can see it's a little droopy right now, but I have to take it all the way into the bathroom, so it doesn't get watered as often as it needs to. This is one of my little peperomias. It's doing pretty good. It's like, I don't know, it's the purple waffle one. It's in a lot of light right now, but this is like the 3 hours of sunlight that it gets. And then this is my Mandula pothos, and we've talked about this plant a lot. There we go, guys. Look how great it's doing. I actually used a little bit of, there you can see right there, a little piece of wire, floral tape wire, to pin it down because it was starting to trail, but I wanted the actual pot to be fuller. So I'll let it trail all the way around here and then trail off the side. So it's doing great. Kind of hanging out down here at the bottom where it gets a little bit of sunlight, but not a lot. This is my spider plant. You guys remember her. Look, a whole new round of babies. The variegation is returning on the new growth, and it needs to be watered again. You know, in the winter, I don't water as often as I should, and so it's hard for me to get in a good rhythm, but I'm figuring it out. Also, we've been super sick. Anyways, okay, let me show you. Here, I'll just show you guys. Okay, so you can see we got some of this, I think it's an oak, these boards, and we stained it. So this is going to be the actual color, and I'll show you where we're gonna put it in the bathroom. But let me show you first. we've done some painting. So I did this yesterday while the boys were sleeping. This is a nice gray, and you can see the walls are like, ooh, they look yellow, but they're not yellow. They're just like a really nice, it's called like white chocolate mocha. Anyways, we're like finally getting somewhere. We still have a lot to do, but this is where we've been doing a lot of our work, guys, and I'm so excited. Okay, so here it is, the bathroom. We have the tile done. We got our vanity in place. I bought soap, which is also always a great sign. We have running water. You know, the toilet's been in for a while. Look at that little beautiful guy. Where did I pick this up? I didn't even get to tell you guys. I found some beautiful Sansevierias down in Joplin a couple weeks ago and just couldn't help myself. There's a little bit of transit damage from, you know, before I got it, but I just love how vibrant this one is. So yeah, he definitely had to come home. Dan's been working, so on the back side here, that's our shower, walk-in shower. And you can see that board is gonna come over here in my soaking tub. And so we're gonna have the boards running horizontal across there and then wrap around the tub. And then we'll have the white backsplash around the back of the tub and then in the shower. And ignore my dirty clothes here, but our tile is like just big subway tile. So it's gonna look really sleek in there. I'm hoping it ends up looking okay. There's some fabric or carpet in my dirty clothes, so ignore that. Anyways, this is what Dan's gonna be working on this week. Some tiling back here. That red is not stain. It is like a water barrier coat, but it's been driving me insane. So I'm really glad that we're almost at the tiling stage. Okay, so then, like, I don't know if you can see, you know, like the doors, they're painted, guys. So we're finally painted. I have my washer and dryer. It looks like a mess because I don't have any shelves in here, but it's working. So I'm finally inside. The boys got a nice toy set for, I don't know, Christmas or maybe Riken's birthday. Doesn't matter. Anyways, this is our half bath. You can't really tell what's going on here, but these will be pocket doors. So 2 pocket doors. And then, you know, I'm not going to turn them on because they're super bright, but then we'll have the sink and vanity. So we have like a half bath set up here. And that is it. Okay, folks. So I changed my mind. I have dirty sink, dirty kitchen and everything, but I'm so excited. I want to show you guys a few things. So before Christmas, we bought the boys bunk beds and they delivered, let me turn this around. They delivered the bunk beds to my living room, fully assembled. So we had to unassemble it all and then put it in the boys' room and then reassemble it. And it was a total disaster. When Dan was trying to take one of the pieces down, it fell over and it hit my moonshine sansevieria and ripped off, like damaged 2 leaves. Anyways, I took one and I kind of elevated it here in the cup, and it has been rooting now for over a month. And look, finally some roots. This guy is so slow growing, but I told Dan, he was so upset. He thought he was really going to destroy. This is one of my favorite plants. But look, now I'll have a new plant. Yay. You guys know I also love my silver satin pothos. I'm so bad with names today. I overwatered it, guys. You can see how the leaves are curling a little bit. And it's not doing great, but it's not dying yet here. These guys were propagating in water forever, but I think it's going to be okay. So I'm just kind of hanging out. We also have some mandula leaves. I did cut off one thing that was trailing, and you can see the great roots here and right there. I think that's actually a brand new leaf that's going to come up, so I need to get this guy out of here first. Soon, I should say, before I can't get it off without breaking, or get it out without breaking that new leaf. Then I want to show you guys this. Okay, my Ruby Cascade Peperomia is, dun dun dun, almost touching the counter. Can you believe it? It is insane. So I've been telling you guys, you don't really care about that, sorry. I've been telling you guys that I need to trim this guy out, and I so totally do. I put him in a little bigger pot. I moved him up about an inch, and then reattached the hanger This guy needs so much sun, and you can see like all of the little arms are literally reaching towards the sunlight. So he'll be moving over into the addition where there's more sun soon, once we get all of our trim put up there. But anyways, he's doing so great, and I can't wait for spring because I'm definitely going to give it a cut. You can see like the ruby back there. I'll give it a cut, and then I'll ship some of these out to you guys. I also have, it's so bright out here, but I've made a couple hangers for some of my other, it's so gross, I'm sorry, but we'll get new trim for the rest of these air plants. They're just so cute. And here's one of like the Juncacia or something. I don't know. You know it, guys. I don't know names. Yeah, so here's the heartleaf philodendrons. Doing good there. Okay, let's take a quick peek over here and see what else we have since we have time. You guys know my house is just chaos with the two boys and everything. But anyways, look at this. I propagated this from my office plant again. Oh my gosh, look at that dust. Oof. I'll fix it, guys. Don't worry. I take care of, but just give me some time. Here's a nice sansevieria. They're all sitting in growers pots. Let me show you. Sitting in growers pots in this porcelain. So make sure if you have vases without holes, these are actually, I think, like, I don't know. Look at that dust, you guys. Don't judge me. Hobby Lobby for like $3 on clearance. They're from like the kitchen section. But I just thought they were really cute, so I grabbed them, you know, whatever. Some ponytail palms. These two are doing really good. This guy, not great, but he's fine. And then here's my favorite, right? I took off some cuttings that you just saw, but the plant itself here is doing very well. Okay, and then the rest of the house here, you guys know my marble queen. Okay, let me show you this leaf. This is why I love variegated plants. Let's see if I can get a good look at that. Look at that, you guys. It's so cute. I love that variegation. We've got some more like really neat ones over here too. Anyways, I love this guy. He's doing great. My money plant has like hit or miss. I think I overwatered it a smidge over the holidays when we were all dying. I think I just tried to like nurture, and I lost actually two of the two trunks, like entire plants. These guys are still firm, so I know they're going to survive, but there's like a gaping hole from the two that I honestly literally killed, and you can see like this leaf is about to go too. But still good overall growth. It's going to be okay. But you know, that's what happens, guys. Like if you don't pay attention, you get too comfortable, you kill things. I keep my humans alive. That's all that really matters. So here's my calathea. You guys know, like, love, hate. This is the ornata, the pinstripe. I've almost thrown it away like 6 times. I put some peat moss in there to see if that would help with the humidity. It is not helping, and I'm still crusty. Oh, sorry. So, you know, it's probably going to be thrown away. But maybe if I can limp it along to the fresh spring growing season, maybe it will survive. Wish me luck. Okay. You guys know I can talk forever. Look at this though. Okay, this sansevieria I got at Joplin Greenhouse, and I couldn't help myself. Like, it is busting out of the pot, literally. But look at all those great babies that are coming up. There's one in the back there. And I just thought it had such great shape, and I just loved it. And I can't help myself. I'm just a sucker for sansevierias. It looks so great. And then let's see, I got this. It's like a leather, but it has plastic insert inside. It's from the garden like spring section in Hobby Lobby this year. So if you like these, they have different sizes. And there is a plastic insert, so really cool. This is the other sansevieria that I bought. It's a little different. There's way more variegation right here than the one that I showed you in the bathroom. But it's so healthy and it looks so good. So I couldn't help myself. Look at all those new babies. Looks great. This guy's put on a ton of new growth too. This is from the mother plant that was in the other room, which is so surprising that they grow so well in the winter. And then my baby, my moonshine. You can see this is the one that I cut off. And then there's a couple like that got really damaged inside here from where, you know, the bunk bed fell on it. But, oh my gosh, look at that. I didn't even see that, guys. Oh, wait a minute. No, I don't know. That one just must have broken. I didn't realize it because that's a clean cut. Anyways, sorry, you guys don't care. I'll take care of that plant. I'll take care of it. What we're really lucky for is that the bunk bed did not fall on my shark fin. We'd be having marital issues if he broke that, but he didn't, and I love him. Okay, guys, I've got a few more minutes. You know, this is my little propagation station, my string of pearls. You can see all the beautiful new growth. Not much to report up here. Just loving the light and keeping it real. Okay, guys, I gotta stop. I have to run back to work like the day job. So hope you all are doing well, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.